Let's continue with the Yin-Yang 4 principles and its application to medicine. I will talk about redness and paleness. A red complexion indicates excess of Yang or deficiency of Yin. A pale one, excess of Yin or deficiency of Yang. Restless versus quiet. Restlessness, insomnia, fidgeting, or tremors indicate excess of Yang. On the other hand, quiet behavior, desire to be immobile, or sleepiness indicate excess of Yin. Dry versus wet. Any symptom or sign of dryness, such as dry eyes, dry throat, dry skin, or dry stools, indicates excess of Yang or deficiency of Yin. Any symptom or sign of excessive wetness, such as watery eyes, runny nose, damp pimples on skin, or loose stools, indicates excess of Yin or deficiency of Yang. Now, hard versus soft. Any lumps, swellings, or masses that are hard are usually due to excess of Yang, whereas if they are soft, they are due to excess of Yin. Excitement versus inhibition. Whenever a function is in a state of hyperactivity, it indicates an excess of Yang. If it is in a state of hyperactivity, it indicates excess of Yin. For example, a rapid heart rate may indicate excess of Yang of the heart, whereas a very slow heart rate may indicate excess of Yin of the heart. Rapidity versus slowness. This shows in two ways: in a person's movements and in the onset of the manifestations. If a person's movements are rapid and he or she walks and talks fast, it may indicate an excess of Yang. If a person's movements are slow and he or she walks and talks slowly, it may indicate an excess of Yin. If symptoms and signs appear suddenly and change rapidly, they indicate a Yang condition. If they appear gradually and change slowly, they indicate a Yin condition. Now, substantial versus non-substantial. As explained earlier, Yang corresponds to a subtle state of aggregation, and Yin corresponds to a dense, coarse state of aggregation. If Yang is normal, things will be kept moving. Qi will flow normally and fluids will be transformed and excreted. If Yang is deficient, Qi stagnates, fluids are not transformed or excreted, and therefore Yin will prevail. Thus, Yang keeps things moving and in a state of fluidity or non-substantiality. When Yin prevails, the movement and transformation power of Yang fails. Energy condenses into form and it becomes substantial. For example, if Qi moves normally in the abdomen, the intestine's function of separation and excretion of fluids will be normal. If Yang fails and Qi decreases, the Yang power of moving and transforming is impaired. Fluids are not transformed, blood is not moved, and in time, the stagnation of Qi gives rise to stasis of blood, then to actual physical masses or tumors. Thank you for your attention.